This is my M4, just got off Evike the other day. Ordered it Thursday, some shipping days. Paid about $140. M4 system.
Paperwork, you don't need to see the date and address and stuff. And books how to use it.
Warranties. Like I said, I got it off of Evike. And here we go. Wow.
Wow, yeah.
Very nice. Full metal M4. Full metal gearbox. Up here. High plastic. Here, real strong, durable. Iron sights. Adjustable. Adjustable Hopup. Adjustable stock. And it came with one clip.
And
One
that's
clip.
the battery, right?
Came with a fast
I don't know. What do you think it is?
sling mounts, it looks like.
Maybe.
Sling mounts and spare parts.
Some 20
Came
BBs?
with the 20 gram BBs. Seamless. And the
Battery pack.
battery came with it. I think it's a 8.6. But I have a 12 volt and a 9.6 in my house.
There's the charger.
Wall charger. And that's about it.